Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. This will definitely impress you and maybe scare you a little. These moments remind us of how innovation changes everything. Every second counts when making progress. Even when you're as careful as possible, always seem to have a way of making things difficult, and they'll put a dent in your wallet too. Years may pass, but his skills remain razor sharp. He's living proof that experience is king. And you know what? I'm totally here for it. Adapt and innovate. Yes, exactly. The stump scraper is revolutionary and efficient. It's unlike anything we've seen before and works flawlessly. An exciting tool for modern forestry. Imagine the possibilities with it. The Worth truck is purpose-built for logging. An engineering marvel, honoring the expertise of its operators. Felling a tree is serious business. It's not just about grabbing a saw and going to work. A precise approach is crucial, with every step carefully planned and executed. Even when the timber hits the ground, the danger isn't over. Rolling logs, snapped branches, unexpected surprises happen. Safety first, always. If the cowboys can't do it, call the pros. I think the crane operator owes this guy a huge apology. Hard to say if they know what they're doing or not. Risky stuff, but someone's got to do it. This is the Easton made for 8C. Forget those weak splitters. This beast has a blade that could slice through steel. Okay, maybe not steel, but you get the idea. Logs go in, firewood comes out, bam. It's that simple. Don't be the last one on the block without this beast. Now, this is what I call a challenge. We're dealing with a mighty maple tree. That massive root ball speaks to its age and strength. But cutting through roots this big takes more than brute force. It demands precision, experience, and deep respect for the tree itself. So now watch. What's up, sawyers? Today, we're putting the still MS for 00 and the O for 4. head-to-head in an epic chainsaw battle. Who will be crowned king of the forest? Picture this, a fully loaded logging truck barreling down a steep mountain grade. The air fills with a thick, swirling dust cloud, obscuring everything in sight. The chaos, a cinematic display of raw power and impending danger. Let's talk truck unloading. This machine is all about getting the job done fast. It grabs the whole load at once. And the best part, tons of gripper options, so you can customize it for any package. Boom. This is the kind of situation no one ever wants to be in. It's like gambling with your own life. The outcome wasn't ideal, but at least the mission was accomplished safely. Now this is impressive. The Velvet 921 packs a Cummins engine, capable of handling 21.5 tons. But it's not just about brute strength. It features cutting-edge control systems and minimal environmental impact. In the world of forestry, this is top-tier technology. This tree had dead limbs tangled with others. We had to move fast as soon as it started to lean. Each falling branch was like a heavy blow. That's why hard hats are essential. This is where the legendary loggers work, and this is the machinery they use to get the job done. Look at the grace of this oakwood plank. Even with its scars, it tells a story. Materials like these are gifts of nature, and turning them into art is a privilege. If this doesn't inspire future generations, then what will? Absolutely inspiring. Whoa, that's one massive Douglas fir 7 feet across. Sadly, decay has taken hold, but the base might still hold some usable timber. Heavy count growth and rot. Halfway up, nature's reclaiming it. But hey, it went out with a bang. Originally designed for municipal use, has been repurposed to help deliver firewood to households. Remarkably, it remains a strong and reliable vehicle. Its tireless service is a testament to its enduring design and value. Drop a comment if this inspired you to learn more. Your engagement keeps us creating amazing content. Seeing the B43 used creatively like this shows its adaptability and versatility in action. However, always follow the manufacturer's guidelines to ensure safety and optimal performance. Using it improperly could lead to issues. Always operate with care and precision to achieve the best results every time. Have you ever heard about the timeless value of craftsmanship? It's the heart of every meaningful creation. Honor the material, honor the craft. Transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Give every piece a story to tell. Remarkable. Have a large area to clear? Anchor chaining could be your ultimate solution. Think of it as nature's comb, efficiently clearing trees and brush. It's fast and effective, but always balance efficiency with care for the land. Sustainability matters. Kenworth trucks represent durability and power, driven by cutting-edge engines, designed for the most demanding jobs, delivering unmatched performance and reliability under any condition. These trucks embody engineering at its finest. helping professionals achieve more and setting the standard for excellence, even in the toughest terrains. We can try to control its direction. We can plan and strategize, but in the end, the tree makes the final decision. Whoa, check out this beast of a machine. This Volvo loader can lift a whopping 19 tons. And lucky for them, they've got a skilled driver who's about to make this unload look easy. Stay tuned for some heavy-duty action. You know, sometimes things look lighter than they really are. Like a tree falling, it looks graceful, right? But that doesn't mean it isn't heavy. In fact, it can be incredibly dense. This reminds me of a few situations. I know what you're thinking. No way those horses can do that. But guess what? They did. This video proves that sometimes reality is more incredible than we can imagine. Drop A1 in the comments if this video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creativity. Drop A1 in the comments if this video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creativity. Man, this is intense. You can really feel the heat. That tree looks like it could go any second. But these guys, they're pros. They stay calm and focused. Let's send them all our best. What's the biggest challenge in land clearing? Massive tree stumps. But this excavator takes them head on. With its unique screw shaft, the result, firewood, not waste, plus you save time and money on every job. Sydney is about to get a whole lot cleaner, thanks to this Vermeer BC200XL. Watch as it takes down this massive gum tree in seconds. Well, what do we have here, if I'm not mistaken? That's a Kenworth T880S. Watch as it effortlessly conquers the incline, hauling those massive 35-pound logs. It's a true testament to engineering. Wouldn't you agree? All right, folks, let's check out this wood production line. Look at those logs flying through the saw. Talk about a wild ride. And check out how smoothly they glide along the conveyor belt, getting prepped and primed to become something incredible. It's like watching raw potential transform right before our eyes. The storm is rolling in, and this guy isn't backing down. That dead oak has a dangerous lean, but he's taking it head on. Resourcefulness is key in situations like this. He's using everything at his disposal. A little risky, maybe, but in the end, it works. Check out this legendary ZIL 131. It's a beast of a machine. This truck can handle anything you throw at it. Overload it, no problem. Harsh terrain, bring it on. This truck is built to survive. This is absolutely remarkable. The Easton made for 8C is a firewood processing powerhouse, boasting 115 horsepower, a 48-inch precision blade, and a cabin designed for ultimate comfort, ready to conquer any challenge. This is the tool that transforms hard work into efficiency. It's the ultimate machine for modern solutions, smarter and bolder than anything you've seen before. Are you ready to elevate your skills to a whole new level? Navigating logging trucks in these conditions demands incredible precision and a deep understanding of the terrain. From traction to balance, every factor is critical for a successful operation. This is a true art, where skill and experience shine. Let's talk innovation in design. The latest tools and techniques are revolutionizing the way we create. Think of it like this: advanced equipment makes the impossible possible, bringing ideas to life faster and better. Precise, efficient, perfect. This is progress in action. Innovation that respects tradition and the environment. A win-win for creators and the planet. Wow, just amazing. If you ever see a project that challenges you, remember, patience is key. Approach it with care and trust the process. Every effort counts. With dedication, the results will be worth it, and you'll walk away proud of your creation. Let's celebrate the journey. This moment shows the importance of staying calm. Under pressure, the driver faced an obstacle, assessed the situation, and found a solution. It's a testament to skill and composure, a valuable lesson for us all. We all know time is money, right? That's why you need the Vermeer WC2500TX. This chipper is all about maximizing productivity. With a 600 horsepower engine and compact design, you can clear land faster than ever. The smart crush system and variable speed and feed keep things running smoothly, no matter the job. Plus, it's designed for easy maintenance, so you spend less time wrenching and more time working. Check this out. Two blades are better than one, right? This saw proves it. Clean cuts, twice the productivity. Handles everything from delicate trim work to tough lumber with ease. A win-win, no matter the project. Now, let me tell you something about this LH35N timber loader. She's a beauty, but she's not just about looks. This machine is tough, reliable, and built to work. Need to transport timber long distances? No problem. Hook it up to a trailer, and you're good to go. With its new undercarriage, it stays rock solid even under heavy loads. This is the kind of machine that makes your job easier. Plain and simple. Now, the stump grinder attachment. It's a true workhorse. Grinds deep, tills efficiently, and built to last. That's the kind of reliability you need out in the field. Wow, the stump grinder attachment. It's a real workhorse. Grinds deep, tills efficiently, and built to last. That's the kind of reliability you need out in the field. The moment I saw that face cut, I knew exactly what was going to happen. Glad no one got hurt. Listen up, folks. This ain't your average log splitter. Bell's Super Splitter packs a massive 76 tons of force. Yeah, you heard that right. It'll turn even the toughest logs into kindling. And with that fancy wireless remote, you can sit back and watch the magic happen. Say goodbye to sore backs and hello to easy splitting. The Ponce Elephant King is a marvel of modern forestry engineering. Its 8-wheel design ensures outstanding stability and maneuverability, allowing it to navigate even the toughest terrains. With minimal impact, the operator's cabin is designed for comfort and efficiency. It's fully ergonomic, boosting productivity while minimizing fatigue. transporting timber through the dense forests of Belgium. Commies with unique challenges, but the HSM 208 tractor offers the perfect solution. Its rugged design, combined with a powerful chassis and oversized wheels, makes it easy to navigate tough terrain. The result, efficient and effective timber extraction. All right, we're looking at the Cat 550 and 574 here. And let's be honest, they're absolute beasts. The harvester's leveling system is buttery smooth, and the forwarder plows through anything. But hold up, something's not quite right. Those high stumps mean we're leaving money on the table. Maybe the operator needs a little coaching on maximizing every tree. Or maybe there's a method to the madness. Let's get to the bottom of this. Watching true expertise is a privilege. This lumberjack's precision is remarkable, working on an incline, and makes accurate cuts even harder. Yet, he maneuvers through these obstacles flawlessly. His mastery is evident in every movement. Now that's what I call getting down to business. This beast makes quick work of those stumps. Effortless, efficient, and oh, so satisfying to watch. Got land to clear? This is your new best friend. This is no ordinary machine. The DAF180D forestry mulcher is the ultimate land clearing powerhouse. It's a monster that can take on anything. Durability, check. Performance, check. Versatility, absolutely. This machine is a total game changer. Check out this beast, the Bandit 250T, a wood chipper's dream. That 49 horsepower Kohler engine purrs like a dream. And those teeth, forget about it. They tear through wood like it's nothing. Yeah, it comes with a hefty $34,950 price tag. But you get what you pay for, pure power and performance. This machine is an absolute game changer. Imagine this: rugged mountains, dense forests, and the HSM 405H, powering through it all. This machine is an absolute beast, built to handle anything nature throws at it. Rain or shine, steep slopes or muddy trails, it just keeps going. Think of it as the ultimate off-road vehicle, but instead of carrying adventurers, it's hauling timber with surgical precision. And the best part, it's so intuitive. Anyone can hop in and feel like a pro. Cutting down a 600-year-old tree is not something you see every day. It takes real expertise. But in Japan, people share a deep connection with nature. It's embedded in their culture. They see trees as living beings, worthy of respect. So when they take on a task like this, it's a balance of skill and reverence. It's truly remarkable. This is where passion meets purpose. You think you can create something amazing? Take the first step, believe in your potential, and let the magic happen. This is the moment to show your expertise. Let's make it happen. Step into the process with confidence. Incredible craftsmanship. Witness the power of modern engineering as the CBI Stump grinder goes to work, transforming tough stumps with ease. This is no ordinary tool. It's a true game changer for land clearing, effortless, efficient, and powerful. It effortlessly handles stubborn stumps, turning them into valuable mulch. Connect this powerhouse to your excavator and watch your landscape transform instantly. It's like a symphony of power and precision. This isn't just another machine. The VK Debarker redefines what's possible in wood processing. Its advanced cutting head optimizes every step, ensuring efficiency and precision across a wide range of applications. It's an innovation built for the future, handling up to 15 cubic meters per hour. It's a testament to modern engineering excellence, pushing boundaries in technology. New Zealand's log transport vehicles adhere to strict safety regulations, vehicle dimensions, and MAS 2016. These standards differ from those in Europe, such as in Scandinavian forestry. Specialized equipment ensures safety and efficiency, making operations seamless and reliable. These innovations set a global benchmark for sustainable practices in forestry operations worldwide. Finland's waterways have a storied legacy, serving as vital transport routes for centuries. The Pilasgjoki River in Joensuu highlights this as a key artery for the timber trade. Massive log rafts glide downstream skillfully, offering a sustainable and efficient resource movement, a testament to harmony between tradition and innovation, sustainability at its finest, and a shining example for industries worldwide. The skill behind this process is legendary. This Fricko circular sawmill shines with its iconic design, featuring a 48-inch carbide tip blade and unmatched sharpness, powered by a robust 3-cylinder Detroit diesel engine. It handles hardwood with ease, a tribute to both machinery and human ingenuity. Special recognition to Gary, the man who revived this beauty, proving that dedication can restore brilliance to its fullest potential. What an incredible journey through forestry innovation. If you love these machines as much as we do, don't forget to subscribe and give us a... New to woodworking? Don't worry, start simple. The HM1-6 portable sawmill is your perfect partner. Easy to use, versatile, and highly efficient. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned dyers. From crafting a simple bench to building intricate furniture, the HM1-6 is your reliable partner in woodworking success. Whoa, felling a leaning giant like that is no easy task. I once saw a tree leaning for 30 years, just waiting for someone brave enough to take it down. Then this awesome crew showed up, smiles all around, and they handled it like it was nothing. That image is burned into my memory forever. Here's a look at a stump harvesting operation in Finland, and I bet you guys find this equipment just as fascinating as I do. Whoa, check out this beastly cat. 3-for-9F in action. That 61-inch bucket is insane. But hold up, no thumb. How are they gonna handle those massive stumps? This is wild. Smash that like button and subscribe for more epic construction content. Let me tell you, logging in New Zealand is on another level. Picture this, massive trucks, up to 150 tons, thundering down private forest roads. And for those steep slopes and tricky spots, they bring in the tri-drives. It's a true testament to ingenuity. and commitment to sustainable forestry. It's incredible to witness the dedication of these alpine farmers. They maintain a traditional approach, using equipment that echoes a bygone era. Their self-sufficiency is truly admirable. No reliance on outsourced labor, just pure dedication to the craft, a testament to hard work and a deep connection to the land. Bye-bye. I know what you're thinking. That tree never stood a chance. And you're right, the Cat 3, the 29E is a force of nature. But it's more than just brute strength. It's precision, it's control. It's the result of years of engineering excellence. And that's something we can all appreciate. Whoa, check out how they handle those branches. It's not as easy as it looks. See how the climber adjusts to the helicopter's movement. That's crucial. With those big machines and unpredictable winds, safety comes first, and that smooth exit when the load drops. Textbook. The Gens M820 DQ mobile chipper features cutting-edge technology, maximizing efficiency and throughput. With a high-powered engine and an intelligent feed system, it delivers top performance, even with the toughest materials. This machine means serious business, a game changer for any chipboard operation. Check out this Fendt 940 Vario. This powerhouse is paired with a Gens M583 wood chipper, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. The Vario's got the muscle for any terrain, and the M583 can chew through massive logs like they're twigs. This combo is all about efficiency and power, maximizing productivity for any forestry operation. Folks, picture this, a forest ravaged by a powerful storm. Now imagine the Ecolog 688 coming to the rescue. It navigates effortlessly through the debris, its crane reaching out like a helping hand. And the precision cutting head, it's like a surgeon's scalpel, making clean cuts and clearing the way. But don't just imagine it, watch the video. This is seriously impressive, but to be honest, I'm a little concerned about the machinery on this one. Franklin? This isn't a toy, folks. This is the 640H, built for one thing. Getting the job done. We're talking raw power, an unstoppable force. Need to move timber? This is the machine for the job. No excuses, no complaints, just results. See that tractor over there? Man, those tires are massive, and they have to be. They need that grip for rough terrain. Imagine trying to haul all that timber without them. You'd be slipping and sliding all over the place. Now this is a real challenge, but these guys, they're built for it. Every swing counts, and with the last trees coming down, it's all about extraction. The problem is, the snow is turning the whole mountain into a trap. If they don't hustle, they're stuck. It's a game of inches now, and Mother Nature holds the advantage. Wow, talk about a blast from the past. Submerging those logs, ingenious, minimizes decay, and keeps pests away. This is authentic lumber production, folks. The aroma of fresh-cut timber, the rhythmic chug of the steam engine, watching those colossal logs meet the saw. It's a symphony of traditional craftsmanship, era of lumber production. It's remarkable to see a mill like this, still in operation, and those guys, clearly masters of their craft. The process is absolutely mesmerizing. Massive logs are effortlessly handled, thanks to powerful cranes. A specialized machine swiftly strips the bark, prepping the logs for the next stage. Then, they move along the conveyor belt to the cutting area, where industrial saws, efficiently slicing them into lumber. The final step is loading the lumber onto trucks for delivery. The Cubic 2 isn't just a machine, it's a game changer in firewood processing. Built tough and engineered for efficiency, it optimizes workflow like nothing else. The upfront cost is steep, $10,000 to $15,000, but for serious producers, the ROI on this powerhouse is undeniable. We're talking reduced labor, higher output, and faster turnaround. That's money in your pocket. We all love shiny new things, don't we? And the HTZ12 Plus, it's as sleek as they come. A 45/55 kilowatt main motor with a 160 to 180 millimeter wide blade. It's the kind of tool that makes you feel like you can take on anything. Drama, action, excitement. This operator is taking on some stubborn stumps. With the mighty Carlton 7015 TRX, will they conquer the yard? Or will the stumps fight back? Stay tuned to find out. Westex engineers have outdone themselves with the Woodcracker G1650. But it's not just about size. That 1650mm working width is impressive, but it's the smart design and minimizes downtime. This rake is built to last, featuring a durable frame and rugged components to withstand the harshest conditions. Mud everywhere, but these guys, they never stop. These machines are built to handle anything. And yet, they're stuck. The John Deere 959 Caterpillar Buncher, when paired with the Quadco 28C hot saw head, shows a massive boost in cutting efficiency. No doubt about it. Its high tractive effort and maneuverability, combined with the 28C's rapid cutting cycle, result in optimized timber harvesting, especially in stands with large diameter trees. This translates to higher productivity and lower operational costs. DIY projects can be fun and rewarding. Preparation is the key to success. Stay focused and aim high. Don't wait until it's too late. Unstable soil like this requires swift action to remove the tree safely. Taking action now prevents property damage or potential injury, especially during unpredictable weather conditions. Let's see how it's done. Operating a log truck is a highly skilled job. This demonstration highlights the expertise required. From maneuvering through tight spaces to handling massive payloads, every movement reflects precision and care. Watch and learn from these seasoned professionals and discover the dedication behind this challenging profession. Wow, take a look at this. The Scania R730 timber truck recovery in action. A true example of heavy-duty precision and power. Notice the careful rigging and winch setup, protecting the truck's chassis and drivetrain while getting the job done. And let's not forget that roar from the legendary Scania V8 engine, delivering over 700 horsepower effortlessly. A beast built to conquer the toughest terrains. Precision at its peak, piloting a helicopter demands exceptional talent, combining mastery of pitch, balance, and coordination. Every move reflects dedication and finesse. Witnessing such control is absolutely inspiring. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.